Oh my god, are you okay? What happened? My dog died. What was that? I don't know. I can't control it. Hey, don't disrespect my dog like that. You better turn that off right now. Okay, I'm sorry. It won't happen again. I'm sorry. Yeah, you better. But actually, something else happened to me. Oh, dang. Really? What happened? My cat died. What is that? Turn it off. Look, okay, I'm sorry. I can't control any of that. You have to watch what you say. It's not my fault. Okay. Yeah, but my sister just died. Oh my god. Alright, class. Today we're going to be presenting a new student. He's here from California. He's brand new. Would you please stand up and present your name, please?
Hey guys, my name is Sebastian Sprinkles.
Are you bullying him? What is wrong with you? Oh, no, I'm sorry. I'm not bullying him. I'm sorry. I can't control it.
Why are you bullying?
No, I can't control it, dude. I can't control it.
Oh my
I can't
gosh.
control it. I don't know how I got it. I can't control it.
What is wrong with you?
Guys, chill. Yo, chill. I'm
You know what?
sorry.
I've had
enough of you doing this in my class. Get out!